lecture we will discuss the different types of graph. As you all know, there are certain different types of graphs we are going to study in this lecture. First is I am taking here as a 12 of them, 12 different kinds of graph. In this lecture we will study, starting from a simple graph to finite and infinite, trivial graph, null graph, complete or full graph, complement of a simple graph, multigraph, pseudograph, bipartite graph, labeled graph, weighted graph and isomorphic graph. So first we will take as a simple graph. First, what is simple graph? Simple graph means a graph which having a certain vertices and edges which doesn't contain any self loop or parallel edges is called simple graph. Likewise, if I talk about this is a simple graph of vertex A, B, C, D and edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this simple graph, in a simple graph there is no self loops and parallel edges. It's called simple graph. This is a graph of, in this vertices are 4 and edges are 6. This is called simple graph. Now second is your finite graph and infinite graph. Finite graph means a graph which consists of sets of finite number of edges and finite number of vertices. It's called finite graph. Likewise, this is a finite graph of 4 edges and 4 vertices and 6 edges. This is a finite graph. And infinite graph, if I talk about the infinite graph, the example of infinite graph are like the graph of graphical structure of isomorphism, structure of polymers. If we in the chemistry, the polymer structures, if you talk about, it is continuous. If I talk about a certain graph, suppose this is the graph. This is a infinite graph in which the number of vertices and edges are not finite. The number of continuously the number of vertices and edges are increasingly. We can't say this is that the number of edges and vertices are countable. In infinite graph, the vertices and edges, as you see that the vertices here, this is a dotted vertices. Now the continuity of vertices and edges are not defined. The set is not defined, it is continuous. There is not finite set of vertices and edges, it is infinitely going. Third one is your trivial graph. Trivial graph means in a graph which having no edges, only a vertex is there. Suppose if I make a point, this is called trivial graph. There is only a single vertex, no consideration of edges here. This is called trivial graph. Next is your null graph. Null graph means ordered n and size 0. Ordered n means there are in null graph there are certain vertices and there is no edges. Suppose if I make this is the null graph or vertex of vertices 6 and there is no edges. Edges is empty. This is called null graph. Likewise, now complete or full graph. What is complete or full graph? Complete or full graph means in that particular, this is 3 complete graph, and this is 4 complete graph, 3 complete graph means in the graph, this is 4 complete graph. In a graph, the number of vertices has the same degree. In this, the vertices are 3 and all of 3 vertices are having same degree. Here, the number of vertices are 4 and all 4 vertices are having degree 3. 3 degree vertices. If we talk about the vertices, degree of vertices, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, each vertices are having degree 3 and here vertices V1, V2, V3 having a vertices 2. Now, if likewise I draw a 5 complete or full graph, 5 complete or full graph means a 5 complete graph denoted by K5. Denoted by K5. Each degree, each vertices V1, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 having a degree 4. This is a 5 complete graph denoted by K5. Complete or full graph. Now complement of a simple graph. Now what are the complement? Complement of a simple graph means if we have a simple graph of 3 vertices, then the complement means complement of this particular graph will be shown you as like this. All the edges is deleted and the graph is remained with the vertices only. There is the 3 vertices only. This is means a complete complement of a simple graph. This is the graph of 3 vertices having the same edges. Now if I take another example, if I draw the complement of this particular graph, it results in like this. Complement means if there is having an edge between vertices A to C, then in a complement there will not be having a vertices from A to C. If in the original graph, if there is having no connection between A and B direct, and in complete graph there will be having a connection edge between A and D. This is means complement of a simple graph. Now multigraph. What is multigraph? Multigraph means a multigraph having a parallel edges but no self loop. Suppose a graph having a parallel edges. If I draw a graph, suppose this V1, V2, V3, V4, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6. This is the graph figure. This is the graph. This is a multi-graph. In this graph, there is a parallel edges E1 and E2, and there is another set of parallel edges E5 and E6. There is no self loop. If next is your pseudograph. What is pseudograph? In this particular graph, there should not be any parallel edges, but there should be a self loop. This is a graph. What is self loop? Self loop means a edge starting from a particular vertex and end to that particular vertex only. Suppose this is suppose E2 and E3, E4, E1. This is E5 and this is E6. Now this is called a pseudograph. This is an example of a pseudograph. In this graph there is no parallel edges but self loop are there. Self loop on vertex V1 and on vertex V2. The self loop made by the edges V5 and E5 and E6 are making the self loops. Okay. Now bipartite graph. Bipartite graph. What is bipartite graph? Bipartite graph means if I draw this graph V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, E1, E2, E3, E4. Bipartite graph is called bipartite graph when if I split the edges of this particular graph in 2 sets. Suppose set number 1 of vertices are V1, V2 and V3, and another set of G1 and G2 graph is V4 and V5. The set of vertices, full vertices are differentiated in 2 sets. First set is V1, V2, V3 and second set is V4 and V5. Split it into 2 sets. Now we take a edge if the end point of that particular edge is on the first set and another set. Suppose E1. The end point of E1, starting point is in the set 1 and last point is in vertex V4 is set 2. Likewise, if I take any of edges, suppose I take E4, the starting point is from one end point is of E4 is in V3 set V1 and another point is in set 2. This is V5. is a bipartite graph. Now what is labeled graph? Labeled graph means the each and every vertex and edges of that particular graph is labeled, well labeled. Suppose this is the labeled graph. Suppose if I take an example of this. So V1, V2, V3, V4, four vertices, and E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. This is called labeled graph, in which there are four vertices and seven edges. This graph is well labeled graph. Labeling of that particular graph is done in a very efficient manner. Each and every vertex has its name and each and every edge has its name. It's called labeled graph. Now weighted graph. Weighted graph means, weighted graph, if I draw a graph, suppose this is the graph. If I draw a graph, this is the graph, है ना? V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Weighted means in each edge denotes the particular weight of that graph. Suppose this is 1.2, this is 1.2, 2.4, 4.5, this is 7, 8, 9. Means each particular edge are weighted and weight is given by that particular graph. Okay, this is called weighted graph. Now isomorphic graph. What is isomorphic graph? Isomorphic graph means, if I take an example of isomorphic graph, if I draw a graph, suppose this is the graph and this is the another graph. This is the graph having, this is isomorphic graph. What is the definition of isomorphic graph? Two graphs are structurally different. These are in structure looks different, but there are certain properties of isomorphic graph. Isomorphic graph means in which graph their number of vertices are same, number of edges are also same, and the number of vertices with a degree in a single graph is equal to the number of vertices with in that particular next graph is same. Vertices with corresponding degrees are same. Suppose vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Likewise, there is also 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And number of edges E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8, E9, E10, okay, 10, E11 and E12. Likewise, there are 12 vertices, 12 edges, and likewise there is also 12 edges, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, E8, E9, E10, E11 and E12. There are 12 edges and the corresponding vertex with a degree 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here all 8 vertices are having the degree same, which is 3. This is called isomorphic graph. And this, as we know, the types of graph we have studied here, the types of graph, and in next lecture we will discuss another topic